Unlock the power of manifestation with gratitude. Want to manifest more abundance, love, and success? The secret isn't in wishing, it's in gratitude. When you align your energy with appreciation, you become a magnet for what you desire. Today, we're covering how gratitude is the foundation of manifestation, why vibrational alignment is everything, the simple steps to manifest with gratitude, how to break through limiting beliefs, why synchronicities happen when you're in the flow, and the ripple effect of gratitude in your life. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana, and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life no matter what is happening around them. This is so they can manifest the life they choose. Let's get started.
The grateful mind is constantly fixed upon the best. Therefore, it tends to become the best. These profound words unlock the essence of today's exploration. How gratitude is not just a feel-good concept, but the foundation of creating the life you desire. Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to this deep dive into the awe-inspiring dynamics of manifestation with gratitude. If you've ever felt that your dreams are just beyond your reach or wondered if there's more to life than chasing goals, this is for you. Today, we'll uncover why gratitude is the ultimate game changer for manifestation. And if you want to dive even deeper into this topic, we have a free ebook that explains the 4 types of manifestation that are out there. And we have a course in one of our playlists that teaches the 4 types of manifestation. So you can be fully versed in this topic and change your life. Let's start with the basics. What is manifestation? It's the ability to bring into your life the people, experiences, and abundance you desire. We are manifesting 24/7, but there is a way to do this in a focused, conscious way. But here's the twist. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positively. It's about aligning your vibration with your reality that you want to have happen. Gratitude is the glue that makes this alignment possible. Why? Because it's the purest, most powerful emotional frequency. Gratitude shifts your energy, your focus, and even your biology. Studies show that practicing gratitude rewires the brain, creating neural pathways that lead to optimism and abundance. When gratitude and manifestation work hand in hand, the result is like creating a symphony. Your desires harmonize with your actions, and the music of your life transforms. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to attract success, happiness, and abundance effortlessly? It's not luck. It's vibrational alignment. Gratitude operates at one of the highest vibrational frequencies. By consistently practicing gratitude, you tune your energy to the frequency of abundance, like a radio station. What you broadcast is what you receive. When you're grateful, you attract more to be grateful for. Think of gratitude as the soil in which your dreams grow. Without it, even the strongest seeds, your goals can't take root. Let's get practical. Manifestation with gratitude starts with clarity. First, ask yourself, what do I truly desire? Write it down. Next, look at your life right now. What blessings can you already be thankful for? This step is crucial because gratitude for the present creates space for the future. Visualization comes next. Picture your dreams vividly. But here's the secret. Don't just see them. Feel them. Feel the gratitude as if you've already achieved all of these things. Gratitude bridges the gap between imagination and reality. And remember, manifestation isn't passive. It requires inspired action. Gratitude fuels these actions, ensuring that they align with your vision. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What about obstacles? Well, gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's your superpower for resilience. When challenges come up, gratitude reframes them. A setback isn't a failure, it's a lesson. Gratitude reminds us that even in difficulty, there's something to learn, something to grow from. This shift in perspective turns problems into stepping stones. Take the scarcity mindset, for example. Instead of thinking, I don't have enough, I don't have what I want, other people have more than me, gratitude flips the script so that you are grateful for what you do have. This shift, it doesn't just change your mindset, it changes all of your outcomes. But the trick is, it has to be deep in your heart. You have to actually feel this gratitude. Let me share something magical. Synchronicity. When you practice gratitude, you become more attuned to the meaningful coincidences in life. You might call it fate or divine timing, but synchronicities are moments where the universe aligns to bring you closer to your goals. Being in a state of gratitude helps you notice and act on these opportunities. For instance, have you ever met the right person at the right time or found yourself in the perfect place for a new opportunity? That's not random. That's gratitude at work, tuning your awareness to life's gifts. Gratitude doesn't just transform your life, it creates a ripple effect. When you radiate gratitude, others feel it. Grateful individuals naturally inspire kindness, empathy, and generosity. This isn't just about personal transformation, it's about community transformation. Imagine what the world could look like if more people embraced gratitude. When one person adopts a mindset of appreciation, it spreads. Families, workplaces, and entire communities can shift towards positivity and abundance. Let's bring it all together. Gratitude is not just a tool for achieving your goals, it's a way of life. By embracing gratitude, you align the energies of abundance and love that already exist in the universe. Take a moment now, close your eyes, reflect on 3 things that you're deeply grateful for. Feel the gratitude in your heart and know that you're already on the path to manifesting your dream. Gratitude is the single most important ingredient to living a successful and fulfilled life. Let this be your mantra as you move forward. If this resonates with you, please feel free to come to vibrationmentor.com or join our community so we can support you more on your joyous journey.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey of self-growth and manifestation, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, at Vibration Mentor, we're here to support you in creating a joyous life, no matter what's happening around you. Keep manifesting, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.